Welcome back, families and friends, to the Kitchen on Meals with Mills. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make my version of making porridge or roll oats. I hope you enjoy this video, so let's get on with cooking. So these are the ingredients for my roll oats or porridge. I've got 2 cups of oats here. I have 1 cup of coconut cream. I have 1.5 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and about 30 grams of butter. So those are the ingredients, as well as honey. So I'll be adding honey towards the end when you serve the porridge. So those are the ingredients of our porridge or roll oats. I will start cooking now. Okay, so we start by adding our water to the pot. And then add our oats. Okay, so just stir it around to start the cooking process. Okay, so I'll just add slightly about 1/4 cup of water there. I don't want to add too much water at this stage. I just want to cook the oats. So just have your cup of water sitting on the side, and slowly add more if you need. Okay. Slowly a bit more. Probably add a little bit more water. We are going to add our brown sugar to our oats. Okay. I will add our nutmeg and our cinnamon. Okay, now our coconut cream is going in. Start with that at first, stir it around. I'll add the rest of the coconut cream or milk, coconut milk. But in this recipe I'm using coconut cream. Okay, the last few ingredients will be our butter. Add our butter last, and the honey, and then we will have it ready to serve. Okay. Our porridge is now ready. I'm going to try it, but if you can see, I have served the porridge onto a plate. Okay, and then I added the honey. It's up to you. Do whatever you want to add according to your liking or your taste. I'm going to have my porridge with crackers. You can have it with toast, whatever you want to have your porridge with. So let's taste and see what it tastes like. Okay. Tastes really nice with the coconut cream. You can taste the coconut cream. You know, might be different to taste to some some of you because we're used to making it with milk. But it's really nice. Try it. Try it with coconut cream and see how you feel about it. You can cut down cinnamon. If you don't like cinnamon, you can cut down butter if you don't want to add butter. It's totally up to you, but that's how I make mine. And then sometimes I like to just get the apples, dip it in like that, and eat it with the apples. So that's my version of making roll oats or porridge for breakfast. I hope you enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, comment to any of my videos if you like the recipes, especially this porridge. And I will see you again in the next video. Take care and be safe out there. Bye.